it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1968 Mgb Roadster. So it's a Mark II. It's black interior, black top, triple black, really desirable color scheme. 4-speed, wire wheels, California car. We just purchased it from Texas, where I believe it was restored nicely about 10 years ago, and it just wasn't being used much, so we were lucky enough to purchase it, bring it back to California. The car's showing a mere 67,458 original miles, so very, very well preserved, and so it's had this very fresh cosmetic restoration, sparingly used since then. Great cosmetics on the car, runs and drives really, really well. I like this car because you sort of sit down low in the seats and you're looking through the middle of the windshield, so you actually feel like you're driving, you're driving the car and you're sitting in the car instead of on the car. But really great driving position. So let's go around panel by panel. So very, very good repaint with all new chrome. There's a light scratch here on the door, very, very faint. Couple little tiny nicks from use, but nothing massively out of the ordinary. You can see here just a little, some light scuff marks from the soft top, and maybe a little chip right here. The edge of the door, that's typical, that needs touching up. There's some very faint rashing just along here, so there's like some light chips that have been touched up or blended at one point. Another little chip here on the fender, but a couple little chips on the hood, but just from normal use, just from enjoying the car, driving the car, but still presents brilliantly, really lovely. And windshield's in great shape. The lower rubber is really nice and soft. Even the glass rubber is great. I think there's a collar sticker here from 1989, but yeah, wire-wheeled car. It's got this very good set of quality Michelins on it. They're 185/70, so they're a really good size tire. Let's look at the trunk. Nicely painted black. Some owner's manuals and literature there. It's got the spare wheel, the cover. It's got the original jack and handle in the bag. Let's look at this interior. So interior-wise, this car is a knockout. It has its original perfect uncracked dash here. Beautiful original steering wheel. These are the original door panels with arm bars, which is pretty amazing. Same here on the driver's side. Seats have been retrimmed in leather, and they're very comfortable, very nice and soft, very comfortable to sit in. Carpet kits have been replaced at one point with this cup pile carpet kit. Very nice original center console. So overall, upholstery on this car is fantastic. It's got a black soft top, and the soft top is the original standard type soft top frame, so it removes from these sockets here, and then you lift it out of the car as an assembly, and then you split it apart, and the top frame goes in the trunk, and the top folds up. So but yeah, hugely attractive triple black 68 Roadster. I'd paint those rear drums black. I don't know why they're kind of that funny green color, but they need to be painted black. But yeah, let's look at the engine bay on this car. I think you'll be quite impressed with the engine compartment. So very original, just lovely clean engine compartment, nicely detailed. It's got this original under padding on the hood, original air cleaners, the brakes over there, they look brand new. So But yeah, real sweet, real nice sweetheart of an engine, super healthy. It's even got the original replacement foam around the radiator. So this up front here, it's all the original paint, all the original decals, which is amazingly impressive. I think this car's only had one simple repaint. I think it's been a California car all of its life. And you can see all the original wiring harness in there, how well preserved it all is. But yeah, absolute sweetheart of an engine there. Runs, drives, slow steers, does everything great. So super attractive car. Triple black, 1968 Mgb. Leather seats. Black with black trim, black top, wire wheels, 4-speed. Just purchased from Texas and brought back to California. It's had this very nice cosmetic restoration done on a very low mileage car, and it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.